Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I made a post on Instagram a while ago and you guys requested for the video version of it. So here are 5 tips on how you can boost your creativity. The number one thing you want to do is start out with an idea, yeah? Once you get an idea of what you want to shoot, go ahead and execute it. Do not allow the fear of rejection or the need for perfection to stop you from creating. Now, there are different places that you can get ideas from. The number one place that I get idea from is from my experience. There was a time I wanted to just express peace. And you can see in this image, I did this image because I wanted to express peace. Now, as a fashion photographer, it's important to me that my subject looks his best. So I dressed him all up and I just used that blindfold on his face to represent the dark times of my life where I was coming out of that peace, and that dove is representing peace and blue is a color of peace. Yeah, so that is what brought the shoot all together and made the shoot look more cohesive. Just start out with an idea, start out with an inspiration. There are other places that you can get inspiration from, and there is Pinterest, there's Google. You can get inspiration from music. I've gotten inspiration from reading a book, and you can get inspiration from other creatives as well. Number 2, challenge yourself by doing various personal projects. Once you've developed some basic creative skills, you have to further challenge yourself so that you can advance your skill set. Number 3, creativity is a muscle. You have to exercise it. Dedicate time to actively think and create. The more you create, the better and stronger the front polar cortex of your brain, which is the part of the brain that controls creativity, is going to get. So the more you do this, the better you become. It's that simple. The number 4 thing that you can do to boost your creativity is to keep a creativity journal. I simply do this by using the notes app on my iPhone, and you just jot down your thoughts, jot down your ideas, and you can save them for future references. The cool thing about this app is you can even save images. So if there are pictures that you would like to recreate in your own way, then you can easily save them on this app and work on it in the future. The 5th thing you can do to boost your creativity is to explore other types of art form. This image you're seeing, I shot it in 2019. I got the inspiration from a statue image that my friend sent me, and this picture ended up being published in USA. So explore other art forms, painting, sculpting, drawing, contemporary art, and all other art forms is where you can actually pull inspiration from. So these are the 5 things that can help you to boost your creativity. Well, there are a whole lot of other points and a whole lot of other solutions that can help you with your creativity, but this is the 5 things that I'll be talking about today. If there's any other one that you know of, you can easily leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified each time I put out a new video. I'll see you another time. Bye.